So take a look. We can write like a to the power 1 times a to the power 1 times a to the power 1 times a to the power 1 divided by a plus a plus a plus a equal 4a equal 16. So after that we can write easily here a to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 4a equal 16. After that we'll write a to the power 4 divided by 4a equal 16. So in here we can write a to the power 4 and divided by 4 a to the power 1 equal 16. So here we have to use an exponential formula. This is like a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal a m minus n. So after applying this formula, then we'll write like a to the power 4 minus 1. This power is equal m and this 1 equal n. Then we'll write like this, divided by this 4 in here, and this 16 will be in here 16. So then after we'll write like a to the power cube equals 16 times 4. So now we know this equivalent here, and 16 times 4 equals 64. So now we take this 64 in left side, then it will be minus 64 equal 0. So we know a to the power cube minus 64 equal 4 to the power cube equal 0. Here we should have to use another exponential equation formula like a to the power cube minus b to the power cube equal a minus b into a square plus a b plus b square. After applying this exponential formula, we will take here like a minus 4. Here a equal a, b equal 4, then bracket a square plus 4 times a plus 4 square equals 16. So after that we'll get a minus 4 bracket a square plus 4a plus this 4 square equals 16 bracket 0. So from here we'll get either a minus 4 equals 0. So easily we can get an a1 equation a equal 4. This is answer number 1. So after here we'll solve this quadratic equation, that will get a square plus 4a plus 16 equal 0. So here we'll get a equal 1, b equal this 4, and c equal this 16. So here we know this. Here we know the quadratic formula is like a equal minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have to now replace this abc's value in here, then we'll get like a equal minus b equal minus 4 plus minus root over b square equals 16 and minus 4 times c equals 16 and 2 times a equal 1. Then after simplify this equation we'll get minus 4 plus minus 4 root over minus 3 and this will be like 2. So after that we'll get a equal minus 2 plus minus 2 root over 3 e into root over minus 1. Then it will be look like root over plus minus 2 root over 3, and this minus 1 equal I, because we know root over minus 1 equal I. So from here we'll write in the solve number 2 minus 2 plus 2 root over 3I and a cube equal to minus 2 root over 3I. So this is the solution number 2. Thank you guys.